Welcome to my video. Welcome to my journal. Today, we will be talking about how to deposit checks into your Starling Bank account. The short answer is yes, you can. Starling Bank offers two convenient ways to deposit a check. For checks up to £1,000, you can use the mobile check deposit feature in the app. All you have to do is take a clear picture of the front and back of the check. The app will then process the deposit. Remember to hold on to the physical check until the funds are in your account, just in case they need another picture. For checks over £1,000, or if you prefer not to use the app, you will need to deposit the check by post. Simply write your surname and your Starling account number on the back of the check and send it to them using free postage. You can address the envelope to Free Post Starling. Once deposited, it typically takes 2 working days for the check to clear and for the money to be available in your account. Check processing does not happen on weekends or bank holidays. So, while Starling is a digital bank without physical branches, they've made it simple to deposit checks either from your phone or by mail. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my journal.